Hey everybody, welcome back to the Photog experience. We are still here in Kissimmee, Florida, but we are heading to the Atlantic coast to New Smyrna Beach. You also tag along. We are here at New Smyrna Beach. This place is gorgeous. Last time we were here, there was literally no one on the beach. Whew. Tide is in pretty high. The last time we were here, there was barely anybody here. Times have certainly changed, and people are out in troves, but that's not going to ruin our fun. We're going to enjoy this beach. We're going to have an amazing time. Switch to the GoPro. Never getting in the water. It's a little cold. It's not too bad. Here at New Smyrna Beach, Florida. Granted, this beach is about an hour and a half away from where we're staying. Yeah, I can see it. And the undercurrent is crazy. The waves, as you can see, are crazy. There's actually people out here on surfboards. This is amazing. Look at those waves back there. Those are probably...
Those are exciting to go in here.
Those are probably 15, 20 foot waves back there. Look at that one! Look at that one! These my gosh, look at these.
Can't see. No good.
I mean, those are surfing waves. Are you okay? This is insane.
I'll just get a broken neck. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Can you stand up? Yeah, okay. Barely. Are you okay?
We need to go back in some.
Oh my god. Ah! Back, 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 back.
A good one.
The current
Get us above our stuff so when we go.
is so strong right now. Like, it's pulling us so hard right now. Man. It got pulled. Did you see that? These waves are probably 15, 20 feet back there. That's insane. And this current is so strong. Like, look at it as I walk. Alright, maybe not right this minute, but. So I think we are gonna go play in the sand a little bit. We are going to build a sandcastle. We're gonna play in the sand, build a sandcastle, possibly bury somebody. We're gonna have a good time. So one of the cool and amazing things my wife bought me one time that I really haven't flown much is a kite. Can't really see it that well because the sun, but it flies so well. The sun is like right there, and it won't move from that spot, and it's really, really bright on the eye. You want to fly it?
I'm scared.
So we are done here at the beach. Right. Time check. It is 2:59. We are gonna head back to the car, and I think we're gonna head to Sanford. See you later, New Smyrna Beach. We weren't here for very long. Took us about an hour and a half to get here. We've only been here for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. But we're gonna go dry off, go change, because where we parked, there is a bathroom changing area. Get dry new clothes on, and then we're gonna go eat. This place is gorgeous. If you all come visit Florida, especially Central Florida, what beach do you come to when you visit Central Florida? If you're coming for Disney or Universal and you all decide to come to the beach, what beach do you go to? We choose New Smyrna. It's just beautiful here. After a long day at the beach, the best way to make it better is to get some ice cream. We are currently here at Twisty Treat, which is a big thing here in this area, I suppose. And we're here in Kissimmee, almost home. I'm ready for a caramel sundae. Here are some of the options that they have. Some cookie witches, some waffle / choco tacos. Really good things for the kids. Black raspberry cheesecake, peanut butter, mint, Oreo, caramel cheesecake, which looks really, really good. I want that. All right, pick, Erica.
Tell them what you want. Can I have a chocolate
Caramel sundae.
You can make them. I still got the German chocolate and cheesecake. That'd been good.
You can mix them. That's what we did.
No milk cakes.
How's yours, babe? So consensus on Twisty Treat, that place super good, and the pricing, it's not bad at all. So if you're ever in this whole area and you see one of these, you see the ice cream cone, you need to try it out. So after Twisty Treat, which is right there, we've come across, and now we're going to Disney Gifts. Let's see how cool this store is. So much Disney. Oh, here is the child. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, they have Hogwarts shirt. Look at that right there. It's a Gryffindor Hogwarts alumni. That's actually pretty cool.
It is cute, isn't it?
It is real cute. Another Gryffindor shirt. Look at that. It's all shiny. I have found a shirt I want. This is awesome looking. And what's really super cool is these shirts are only $15.99. And if you buy one, you get one 50% off. That is super cool. Look at that stitch. We are back at the Airbnb and we are about to go to the pool. Right. And go swim. The pool says from dawn to dusk. It looks very dusky right now, so I don't know exactly how much time we'll have, but it's okay. Got the GoPro. We're gonna enjoy some pool time.
Whatever you do, don't tear your ACL.
Happy Mag. Or He Pie Mag or something. I don't know. Vending machines. Pool. Oh, that's cool. That's a pool table, it looks like.
Is it cold?
Probably. It really is starting to rain. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
You excited
Yes.
about this pool action?
Please do not make me back up into the pool.
Go.
Go for it.
Is it cold?
Yeah, there's a rock right there. Is it cold, really? Kind of.
Come on. Go. You about hit your face on it.
It ain't cold.
Really?
It's not. It really, I promise.
I don't believe
It's not cold.
It's not horrible. Go under. Your turn.
Hey, Steve.
pointing at my face? Make it pointing at me.
Don't run.
Get your underwear and your booty hole. How about that? You're a bathing suit, I'm sorry.
Go. Yep, you're good. Keep going.
What about doing it this way?
I'll do a cannonball. You like it. Ew.
I missed it! Jar!
I missed it. But I want to do it again, son.
Hit the bottom of my butt.
What about Bryson jumping in?
No.
Do it.
You want me to get you jumping in from this angle?
He showed no mercy. He got her by the head and he slammed her. I'm the team winner. I'm the team chicken fighter. I can carry you better.
You want to jump in?
Was it real?
You want to jump in?
No, they're getting that hurt my butt.
Turn around. You're so weird.
Erica. Alright, this is where we're going to end today's video. Here at the pool, we're about to get out, go back to the Airbnb, relax, get some dinner, and all of that stuff. So, if y'all are enjoying this content so far, go ahead and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you can stay up to date on all the amazing excitement from this trip. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You all have a good night.